could have brought that one under control, I think. And he timed his run perfectly. Just came off his knee, didn't it? And then in trying to snake his way between Vintra and Tonio, it's Lucas Vintra in the end who makes the contact. Penalty for Barca. The home players not too happy with referee Jose González's decision there. Pete?
Yeah, I'm not sure they can have too many complaints, really. I thought Messi did his utmost to stay on his feet, but in the end, the challenge... Oh, there's a red card come out. That's why they're not happy. It's
a red card for Simão Mete Jr. That must be for complaining about the decision. That must be for dissent, because it was Tonio and Vintra who were... Oh, the red card is for Vintra.
Red card is for Vintra. The reaction from Simão. In that case, I really don't understand the decision. We can understand perfectly why the Levante players are so upset. And this man...
Absolutely, it's impossible to say he's the last defender if there's two of them, really. It's going to be Messi to take it, and he blasts it well wide, not just slightly wide, but quite a long way off target from Leo Messi.
Well, here's the incident again.
There's definitely contact from both players. I think the red card there, well, I mean...
I also think that it's Tonio's foul more than it's Vintra's. But as you say, the penalty, I've never seen a penalty taken so badly by Messi.
He's trying to absolutely bury it, isn't it? And buries it into the jubilant crowd behind the back of the goal defended by Jesus Fernandez. Well, it's a shame for Mendilibar and Levante.